Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world famous Pattaya Walking Street. Today I'm here exploring the iconic destination during quarter hours of the afternoon. So Pattaya Walking Street is located in the heart of Pattaya, Thailand, and basically it's a bustling and electrifying hub of activity, especially when the sun goes down. But right now we are witnessing a different side of it, providing a unique perspective on this lively place. As you can see, all the neon signs that define the nightlife are still taking a break, and there's no street vendor right now setting up any shop. And during the day, you can catch a glimpse of the street's other side. Despite the lack of any activity at the moment, the charm of the walking street still persists. The unique architecture, the vibrant colors, and the electric mix of establishments are all here patiently waiting for the city to come alive once again. Just make sure you come around starting from 6 p.m. You'll see what I'm talking about. To give you another perspective of Pattaya Walking Street, it's not just about the nightlife. Pattaya Walking Street is also a canvas for artists, with street art adorning the walls and floors and creating decorations contributing to the overall visual feast.
The floor is very colorful. This is where the parties are.
As the day winds down, I bid farewell to Pattaya Walking Street during the quieter hours. But make no mistake, when the sun sets, this street transforms into a pulsating heart of nightlife, filled with music, laughter, and a vibrant energy that keeps people coming back for more.
I think I should check out this place. Indian restaurant.
So I have come to the end of the walking street. Now I need to walk straight up so that I can access the beach. And also, I'll also be getting my accommodation over there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And for those who are into fast food, you can head to the McDonald's or KFC joints in the area. I know some of the visitors right here may not be able to handle spicy food, so that could be a great option for you.
Oh, the beach is right here.
This is what the sand looks like right here at the beach, and for those who are not aware or had another perspective, this is what it looks like. So make sure you pack your bags. Come have a swim. I'm at this small It's just next to the beach. It's probably a 10 minutes walk or 6 minutes walk. I'm right here. I want to grab some coffee over there and also be checking out what I could have for lunch right here in Pattaya. I just arrived and I'm super excited to be here. I'm full of energy to just explore each and every spot in Pattaya. Tell me, you could comment down below any of the recommendations you could give me. Probably someone watching the video could benefit from this, or personally I could benefit from it on my next visit.
ที่มีการไล่การกลับอะไร
ฮะ
ในการกลับ
กลับมาแล้วอะไรกล่องกูอ่ะก็เข้ามาเปิดให้เยอะแยะเอามา40 ตัววันนี้เป็นกล่องอ่ะ
The walking path is too narrow.
Thank you for joining me on this unique daytime stroll through Pattaya Walking Street. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and embrace the beauty of every moment. See you soon.
So guys, this is what the beach looks like right here in Pattaya. Apparently there are not so many people right now, probably because it's a weekday, probably on a Saturday or Sunday. This is really a nice place to visit. Now accommodation is just right across over there. It's usually a few meters walk to the beach.